target 10. Double digits now, double digits. Learning target 10 is all about geometry. Do you see this raccoon? Without geometry, life is pointless. Get it? So learning target 10 is all about special right triangles. Now, I know you've seen special right triangles and we used Pythagorean theorem before, but in learning target 10, we're not using any Pythagorean theorem. We need to find the exact measurements for a very special triangles. So, before we move on, and we're gonna have 6 parts to this learning target 10. First part, before we do any kind of triangle, we need to be kind of like go back to being familiar with radicals. So do you see how to multiply radicals? Yeah, the note's right there. In case you're wondering what am I wearing on my head, I made a lot of heads for this learning target. One of them, the first one being this one. See, A is outside of the radical, and then B is inside of the radical, times C, radical D is equal to, that's right, outside numbers you multiply together and say A times C. Inside of the radicals, you multiply them together, so it becomes B times D. So that is our main thing. So please remember A, B, C, D, outside with outside, inside with inside. So going back, I know that was a little too much. I know, I'm coming back. Let's multiply these simple radicals. I'm going to do all the first columns because we're gonna do the other columns during class. However, before we begin, let me put important facts. You know how square root of 4 is 2, 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4. So I want to make sure that the only thing that we're gonna really have to simplify is going to be the perfect squares. So let me put the perfect, at least 9 just as a reminder, and then go from here. So 1A, are these inside? Yes. Is there anything outside? Nope. So that would be, outside is 1 times 1, it's 1. Inside is 3 times 5, 15, done. Moving on. D, outside, nothing really. However, this is a perfect number. Look, it's a 4. And square root of 49 is 7. So sometimes it would be actually better for us to simplify first before we multiply. That way we don't have to deal with big number. I mean, 16 times 49, that's a big number. 16 times 49. Then you have to know that 784 is a perfect square. Second, x squared, 784. See, it's 28, but it'd be better if you can simplify first. So we're trying not to use calculators in this learning target. This square roots and radical part will be like no calculator section on the SAT, so we try not to use a calculator. So G, let's do G. Inside, inside, inside. You multiply the inside. 2 times 8, 16. Done. Are we done? Not yet, because 16 is 4, so please write it as 4, which is why I wrote this little radicals. Inside with inside, outside with outside. Ooh, look at J. Outside, I have been invisible 1 times 3. Inside, 7 times 5, 35. Cool? Is there anything outside? Yep. Outside, outside, 12 times 6 is 72. Inside, 9 times 5. Oh, I need my calculator. 19 times 5. 95. 95. Inside, inside, outside, outside. So 8 times nothing, so it'll be 8. Inside, 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 is 3. So just always make sure you have that little perfect squares. That way you can always refer back. So done. So that is our first day lesson. One more time. What did I just say? What's the important thing? Outside. Okay, I don't know. This way, right? Outside with outside, inside with inside, and only just watch out for perfect squares. That's it. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.